come with me to report on the general elections. So I was reporting in Ipswich, so I went to my hotel and I got all booked in and ready, had a little nap and a coffee, and then waved goodbye to my bed for the night. It was a short walk to the Corn Exchange, which is where it was held, and at 10 p.m. it all kicked off. So my role was to report anything happening, what the count was doing, any updates, tips or hints, and to also send in pictures, videos and interviews. At around 1 a.m. I felt the need for a coffee and a snack. But by this point we knew that the counts were coming to a close, so we knew that there was more things to be getting on with. Every count is different, so it was slightly frustrating that I was on the balcony, because you never know if the candidates are going to stick around. At around 3:30, the declaration was made by the returning officer and Labour won. After a very long night, the next 40 minutes went very quickly. I interviewed the Labour candidate who won and the Conservative candidate who lost the seat. This interview made it onto the BBC Look East programme. And then at around 4 a.m, I went back to my hotel room.